Buenos días, DV Thunder. Soy Vivian Leiva y miembro de la Sociedad de Honor de Español.
Yo soy Leona Sayers y esto es DVTV. Hoy es el último día del mes de la herencia latina de España.
El mes de la herencia latina e hispana se celebra el 15 de septiembre al 15 de octubre. El propósito de este mes es reconocer la historia rica, las culturas y las contribuciones vitales de los estadounidenses con raíces en España, México, el Caribe, Centroamérica y Sudamérica.
También honora los logros y los pioneros y promueve la comprensión y respeto por estas diversas comunidades.
Para celebrar el mes, hoy presentamos los anuncios en español. Y ahora pongámonos al día con los anuncios de hoy. Primero, las pruebas de baloncesto femenino se realizarán del 3 al 5 de noviembre. Si tienen preguntas, contacten al entrenador O'Brien.
Luchadoras de primer año, hay una reunión informada el jueves 16 de octubre a las 8:10 a.m. en la sala de lucha. Es su oportunidad de informarse sobre la elegibilidad y las prácticas con las competencias.
Para la lacrosse, el equipo femenino de otoño comienza el miércoles 15 de octubre, con prácticas los lunes y miércoles en Vista Canyon Park de 4 p.m. a 6 p.m. Inscríbanse.
Las prácticas de lacrosse masculino son los martes y jueves de 4 p.m. a 6 p.m. También en Vista Canyon Park a partir del 16 de septiembre.
La sesión de estudio para los exámenes PSAT y SAT es el jueves 16 de octubre de 3:35 a 4:35 p.m. en el Thunder Room. Recibe los consejos de otros tutores que obtuvieron buenos resultados en el SAT.
La recaudación de fondos de DVTV Béisbol es el sábado 18 de octubre de 10 a 2 p.m. en el Goodwill de Chandler y en el calle 32. Dona sus cosas y ayuda al equipo.
Estudiantes de último año, es hora de pedir su toga y birrete y demás artículos en justins.com. Preguntas, pasen por la oficina académica para ver a la señora Alba.
Prepárense para una diversión esculpante. La Sociedad Nación de Honor TV presenta Dulce o Tronco el lunes 27 de octubre de 6 p.m. a 7:30 p.m. En el estacionamiento del personal pueden decorar un baúl o donar dulces. Inscríbanse en línea para unirse a la diversión.
Y no olviden que el baile de bienvenida es el sábado 18 de octubre de 7 p.m. a 10 p.m. Las entradas ya están a la venta en GoFan. No se venderán entradas en la puerta.
Sabemos que quieren lucir lo mejor posible y ahora dinero de pasa. Vean estos consejos y para ahora dinero con algunos estudiantes de Estadística AP.
Hey DV, I'm Yishak.
And I'm Erin. We are both in Mr. Felling's AP Stats class, and today we want to help you all save money and learn how to do a homecoming on a budget.
We are going to look at 3 major areas that every student needs for a great HOCO experience: a killer outfit, a delicious meal, and flowers to make it special.
The first and most important part of HOCO is finding the perfect outfit. Yishak, I'm going to throw some average prices at you, and I need you to calculate the difference between buying a brand new outfit versus thrifting one. Ready?
Yup, I'm ready.
Alright, the average price of buying a brand new dress is $75, and an average price suit is around $150. Whereas if you go out thrifting to Goodwill, you could get a dress for about $5.99 and a dress shirt and fancy jeans for $12.
Okay, let me calculate this. I got it. If you thrift an outfit, you will save over $60 for a dress and a whopping $138 for a suit. And a bonus, you're helping reduce and reuse.
There you go. That is a great saving.
Now, it's dinner time. If you took your date to Spinatos for a pasta dinner, you order garlic bread for $5.05, 2 pasta dishes for $14.20 each, and a soda for each of you at $3.55 per person. The total before tip is how much?
Okay, let me calculate that. I got it, $40.55. But you need to add a tip for at least 20%, which brings the total to $48.56.
If you really want to impress your date, you can cook at home. A bag of pasta is $1.25. A pasta sauce is $1.79. A loaf of garlic bread is $2.39, and 2-liter soda is $2.79.
Oh, this is an easy one. $8.22. Boom.
So how much are you saving cooking at home?
You ready for this? $32.32.
Remember, you're not just saving money, you're also impressing your date.
One last thing you need is a beautiful bouquet of flowers to give your date when you pick them up.
Okay, lay it on me. I'm ready.
Okay, the average price of a bouquet of flowers from a florist would cost about $30. But you could outsource and scour the mountainside for some wildflowers. That would cost...
Wait a minute. I got it. Free $99!
Bingo! So how much will you save?
$30.
There you have it. A DIY homecoming is definitely the way to go.
But just remember, going with your friends can be even more cost effective.
That's right. And whatever you do, whatever you choose to do, just be safe and remember to have a great night.
Love those savings? Now let's talk about how to bring your game face. Literally, we'll show you where to get the coolest homecoming face paint designs to really stand out at the game.
Feeling inspired to paint your face? Before you get too excited, we got some important homecoming need-to-knows coming up next. From ticket info to dress code, make sure you're ready for the big night.
What's up, DV? I'm Victoria.
I'm Priya.
And this is all you need to know for this year's homecoming. All DV students will be entering through this main gate. Make sure to have your student ID and your Ticket on Go fan ready to go. If you're bringing a guest, make sure to arrive with them and you'll be entering through this gate right here. Don't just bring the form, make sure you're with your guest as well.
The dance starts at 7 and the doors close at 9, so plan accordingly and be on time. Once you leave, there's no re-entry.
There will be a no bag policy at homecoming. We'll have water on sale for $1, and make sure to remember that all school rules apply during the dance.
Make sure you purchase your tickets now through the Friday before the dance, and there will be no ticket sales the day of. We'll see you there. Bye!
And finally, we hit the halls to ask you what songs you hope to hear blasting at the homecoming dance. Get ready to hear some of your favorites and maybe a few surprises.
Hey DV, I'm Sandro. Today we're going to be asking people what music they want to hear at homecoming, but I'm too scared to do it, so I'm going to be behind the camera and Grady's going to ask.
Big Mike, we got a question for you. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Play that funky music, white boy.
Thank you. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Fiend.
Okay, thank you. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Just some Drake, or just some Drake, or that Skechers song from along. You know that song, like the Skechers song. Ask him.
He knows. Okay. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Any Eminem song.
Thank you. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Party in the USA.
Thank you.
Probably 6'7".
Okay. Okay. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
No Diggity by Blackstreet.
Thank you. Okay. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Mr. Brightside.
Thank you. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Starships.
Thank you. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Probably Saint from Marilyn Manson.
Thank you.
Time After Time by Cyndi Lauper.
Thank you.
Hold on, I gotta think about this. 20 Minutes by Lil Uzi Vert.
Thank you. What song do you guys hope to hear at homecoming?
Sleep by Cypress Solis. Yo, Europe by Cypress Solis.
Thank you. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
Rock Your Body by Justin Timberlake.
Thank you. What song do you hope to hear at homecoming?
True by Spandau Ballet.
Thank you.
Qué ganas de que llegue el baile del sábado. Hay un montón de actividades esta semana, así que particípense y cuídense en todos los eventos.
Eso es todo lo que tenemos para ustedes hoy. Gracias por venirnos y no olviden síganos en redes sociales at DVHS Thunder Media. Bye.
Bye.